Before commencing this process, you must ensure the lift's safe working load and work cycle have been calibrated. For guidance, please refer to the video entitled Calibration of Safe Working Load and Lift Cycle. Warning: do not attempt to set the service data until calibration has taken place. To set the service data, you will first need to establish the existing cycle count for the hoist. Please refer to the Service and Installation Manual to determine the relevant figure. Having established the cycle count, plug in the actuator reset handset and identify the button with the next highest number. For example, if the hoist has an estimated cycle count of 15,000 lifts, you would select the 16K button. Press and hold the appropriate button until an audible beep is emitted. To confirm, press the Raise button to access the main LCD screen and verify that the lift cycle count has been set to the correct number. To finish, replace the user handset.